Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
iCloud Photos is the only seamless, automatic method Apple provides for backing up photos and videos. It uploads original files to iCloud continuously when your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and charging. This keeps every photo synced across your Apple devices without manual export. Apple includes 5 GB of free iCloud storage for all accounts by default. Continuous uploads resume automatically after any interruption or device restart. This method preserves live photos, videos, and hike or JPEG originals without conversion. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and then Photos to enable iCloud Photos. Turn the single toggle on to start automatic uploading of new photos and videos. Choose Optimize iPhone storage to keep smaller files locally when space is low. Select Download and keep originals to store full files on your device as well. Confirm uploads by opening the Photos app and checking the status at the bottom of the Photos tab. Uploads occur on Wi-Fi and resume while charging if paused. If you exceed 5 GB, upgrade your iCloud plan from Settings your name iCloud Manage Storage. In the United States, plans are 50 GB for /bin/sh, 99 per month, 200 GB for 99 per month, and 2 TB for 99 per month. You can share 200 GB or 2 TB plans with family sharing to reduce per person cost. For stalled uploads, check Wi-Fi. Toggle iCloud Photos off and on, reboot the iPhone, or sign out of iCloud and sign back.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.